If you've ever wanted to create music without breaking the bank, BandLab might have caught your eye. But is it really the best free music creation app out there? Let's dive into what it offers and whether it lives up to the hype. BandLab is a free online music creation platform that allows users to compose, record, and collaborate on tracks. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is great for beginners. You can easily access a variety of virtual instruments, loops, and effects, making it pretty versatile for different styles of music. One standout feature is the ability to collaborate in real time with other musicians, which is perfect for those who thrive in a communal creative environment. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users might find the mobile app less intuitive compared to the desktop version. The audio quality and editing capabilities are decent, but they might not satisfy more advanced users looking for professional-grade tools. Additionally, the limited storage for projects could be a concern for prolific creators. Overall, while BandLab aims to cater to a wide audience, some aspects still feel a bit basic. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, BandLab offers a completely free platform without any hidden fees, which is a huge plus for aspiring musicians. The collaborative feature is also a fantastic way to connect with others in real time. However, there are some frustrations. The mobile app can be clunky, and the editing features, while adequate, may not meet the needs of serious producers. Additionally, the project storage limit can feel restrictive if you're working on multiple tracks. Trust-wise, BandLab has a generally positive reputation, but the lack of transparency about data usage might raise some eyebrows for the privacy conscious. In conclusion, BandLab is a solid choice for beginners and casual musicians looking to create music for free. If you're serious about your craft and need advanced features, you might want to explore other options. But for those starting out or wanting to collaborate easily, it's definitely worth a try.